Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make your Steam profile look cool with live wallpaper. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up the Steam app into your Windows. And from here, just simply click on your profile at the top right over here or manage account. And after that, just simply click on view my profile in the drop down. And from here guys, as you can see, this will be our profile. So in order for you to edit it, just simply click on edit profile. And from here guys, when you go for profile background, you should be able to see here the available default profile background. And when you go to the mini profile, you should be able to see here the options you have for the profile, and you can go to the theme, which you can choose a different color that you can choose from with these default colors. And guys, when you select something, just make sure to click on save. So now in order for you to add a options over here, just simply go ahead and go to the store, and a drop down will show up, and just simply go to points shop. And from here on the points shop, just simply go to game profiles. And from here, guys, you should be able to see multiple options that you can choose from. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, creators of ABBA. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here your preview when you avail this one. And as you can see, when we click on open preview, as you can see over here, we should be able to see here what it will look like. As you can see, it looks cool. So guys, in order for you to get this, you have to get 10,000 more points to get this item. So since I don't have a point set, I won't be able to purchase it. So it is showing how to get points. So guys, when you click on this, how to get points, you will get 87 points on every dollar you spend. You can buy any game, DLC, hardware, application, soundtrack, or in-game item, and you will be able to get points. And from there, guys, you should be able to buy it, and you should be able to have a cool profile. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.